Good morning friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss how to write a C program to copy a string into another one using string handling function called strcpy without using any string handling function. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First let me discuss what is meant by string copy, then I will discuss what is the function you can use and what are the parameters it will take, then I will discuss those two programs. Let me declare a character array A of size some 100. You can store 100 characters in the array A. And I am initializing a string called Parnika. Now I have declared another character array B of size 100. Now what is meant by string copy is that whatever the string is there in the array A, you want to copy it into the array B. If the user has printed the output which is there in the array B, you want the output as Parnika. So to do that one, we have a function called strcpy. Now it will take two parameters. One is the destination, which is B here, and the source. Okay, so this is the destination array name and this is the source array name. So whatever the string is there in the array A will be copied into the array B. Now if you display the string which is there in the array B using put s, you will get the output as Parnika. So that is the purpose of string copy function. So it will take two parameters. One is the destination, another one is the source. Whatever the string is there in the source will be copied into the destination. Now let me write the program to copy the string into another one using strcpy. Then I will discuss the same program without using any function. So let me erase this one and write the program for you. So as I am using a string handling function called strcpy, let me include the header file called string.h. So you need to write hash include string.h, and as we use the printf and scanf functions, we need to include the header file called stdio.h. Then I will write the void main, meaning is that this function will not return any value, and I will take two character arrays of size 100 each. So these two arrays can hold 100 characters. Then I will ask the user to enter the string 1 or enter the string. I am writing \n. Okay, whatever the string the user has entered, I have read it using the function called getS, and I am storing it in the array A. Now whatever the string is there in the array A, I want to copy it into the array B. So I can write strcpy B comma A. So here B is the destination and A is the source. So whatever the string is there in the array A will be copied into the array B. Now you want to display the output. So printf %s, you can write the B, and you can write the getch, and you can close the main function. So this is the program to copy a string into another one using a function called strcpy. Now I want to write the same program without using strcpy. First let me discuss the logic for you, then I will write the program. Let's take that in the array A, you have a string called hi how, and you know that each string will ends with a \0. Is it clear? Now this string you want to get it into the array B. So what you will do is that you will initialize the I value with 0. So you will take A of I, which is H, which is not \0. If it is not \0, you will copy into this one. Then you will take the I. Now it is not \0, you will copy here. Now I value you will increment. It was previously 1, now it will become 2. It was 0, it became 1, and now it became 2. A of 2, which is space, which is not \0. again you will copy here. Then I value you will increment. Then a of 3, which is h, which is not backslash 0, you will copy here. Then o you will copy, w you will copy. Then finally you will get a backslash 0, you will stop, or you can include the backslash 0 also. So this is the way you will copy the string which is there in the array A to the array B. Now let me write the logic for you. Okay, let me erase this one, or let me write here itself. Int I is equal to 0. Okay, I should you close this one or erase this one, and even I no need to use the string.h header file. Let me erase this one and let me directly write that stdio.h here. Okay, then void main, you have asked the user to enter the string. Whatever the string is there, you have stored it in the array A, and then you are declaring a variable called I, and you are initializing it to 0. Then you can write while a of I not equal to backslash 0. Okay, then you can write b of I is equal to a of I. Okay, then you can write I plus plus and you close the while loop, and then you can write b of I is equal to backslash 0, and then you can write printf percentage s b and write the get ch and close the main function. Now look at what will happen. Let's take that in the array A, you have string called hi how. Initially, what is the I value? I value is 0. Now what is the condition they have written? A of I not equal to backslash 0. A of I value is 0. So A of 0 is having the character which is h. Okay, here you will have the backslash 0. So you have the character which is h. H is not equal to backslash 0. So this condition is true. If this condition is true, whatever the statements which are there in the while loop, you need to execute them. So b of I is equal to a of I. So b of 0 is equal to a of 0, which is h. So in the array B, at the index 0, you are copying the character called h. This is the array B. And you have 900 indexes will be there from 0 to 99. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? Now I value you are incrementing. Now the I value will be updated to 1. Then again you are checking the condition. A of 1, which is not equal to backslash 0. Yes, I is not backslash 0. Again this condition is true. So you will copy at the index 1 of the array B as is equal to a of 1, which is I. So I will be copied here. Then I value will become 2. Now a of 2, which is space is not equal to backslash 0, you will copy the space here. Then I value you will increment to 3. Now a of 3, which is h, not equal to backslash 0. So again you will do b of 3 is equal to h. Then I plus plus, you will increment the I value, become 4. Now a of 4, which is o is not equal to backslash 0. Again the condition is true. So you will write b of 4 is equal to a of 4, which is o. Then I value will become 5. Okay, because you have a statement I plus plus. Now a of 5, which is w is not equal to backslash 0. Again the condition is true. So b of 5 is equal to w. So that will come here. Is it clear? Now I plus plus. So now I value will become 6. Now look at a of 6, which is backslash 0. Whether backslash 0 is not equal to backslash 0? No, backslash 0 is equal to backslash 0. So this condition will be failed. If this condition is failed, it will come out from the while loop. Then this statement will be executed. Look at what is this statement. B of I is equal to backslash 0, because each string should ends with a backslash 0. So you should get a backslash 0 here. So look at b of I, which is I value 6. So at the index 6, you are copying a backslash 0. So here backslash 0 will come. Now finally you are printing the string, that's why percentage yes I have mentioned because it is a string format. Then I am giving the name of the array which is b. So whatever the string which is there, hi, how, will be displayed as an output. I hope you have understood these two programs. If you still have any doubts related to these two programs or related to any of this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.